Hello and welcome. Today we'll start drawing this model on Solidworks program. First, we open Solidworks and make new part. Select new part. OK. We'll make a sketch on top plan. Select top plan and press sketch. We'll use rectangle tool. Start from origin, drawing small rectangle and select small dimension 40 and depth it will be 60. We'll use picture, make extrude, it will be 30. Now simply click on this sketch, on this face, and make new sketch and make small rectangle from corner like this, and small dimension its width will be 10 and depth like 50. In the sketch, feature extrude 20, make OK. Now we'll start sketch on this face, on this plan, sketch, and make small rectangle from the lower corner, small dimension 30 and high it will be 30. In the sketch, feature extrude and it will be 40. Press OK. We'll make small extrude cut for this position on this face. Simply click sketch and make small rectangle with height 10 and the distance between this line and this line it will be 10. Feature extrude cut through all. Finally, we will make this small corner or small rectangle by selecting this plan or the sketch. Make small rectangle from corner and it will be 10. Simply click feature extrude 10, press OK. Now we finish this model, but we can make some material or adding material on it. Simply click on material, right click and select edit material. We'll use copper alloy, select copper, apply, close. We can change my appearance here to plain white and simply click on evaluate program. Simply click on evaluate menu, mass properties, and it will be 1 kilogram. Now we have done our model. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.